Hey everybody, here's Pretty Bird's mom. I just had to show you guys how cute she's being. I know you already got an update from my boy, but now she decided to play in the water. And I just thought it was so cute how she keeps running into the shower, back out of it, and then rinses and cleans herself and keeps fluffing up all cute. Isn't she adorable? Pretty Bird! What are you doing? Goose Goose! Pretty Bird! Pretty Bird! Can you say hi? Say hello! Cuckoo! Cuckoo! I can't help it. I think her name fits her perfectly. She's so cute, so pretty, and she's unique. The way the water is just purling and sparkling in the light of the flashlight from my super not high-tech cell phone. Look at that. Busy, busy, busy. Making mama's water bill go up, up, up. Right, Goose Goose? Right? Are you making mama's water bill go up? Say that's okay. I've got 3 kids in this house that take forever to take a shower. Look, not even using soap. Look at you, all cute and puffy. You're so poofy. You moved your washcloth. No wonder you don't have any water. There you go. Her obsession with those water massages cracks me up though too. Okay, how cute is that? When they just roll their head around like that. In my opinion, one of the cutest things that she does. Her head just goes rolling all over the place. Pretty Bird. What are you doing? Are you getting pretty? Are you getting pretty? Oh, so pretty. Ah, it's spraying mama. Now keep in mind, watching these videos or seeing geese on YouTube or on TV or even in nature seems all good and fun, but they are a very, very, very large amount of work and not easy to get along with, depending on when you get them and what their personalities are, because they are all different. We got lucky with Pretty Bird. Right, Pretty? Sorry for the focus issue. The water that keeps, the drops that keep flying all over the place are apparently confusing the camera. What are you doing? You can't roll in the shower, silly goose. See if that'll fix it. It's better. Pretty bird! Are you done yet? Alright, and I just got a shower too. Thank you, pretty bird. It's a good girl. Yes, you are the good girl. Okay, say hi to everybody. Say hi. No? Okay. Mama's helping? Mama helping? Alright, Goose Goose. Goose Goose! Time to stop. Time to be done with your shower. Look at you, how beautiful, glittery. Are you okay? What are you doing? Look at her taking a shower. In my life, I've never seen anything like this. Before I had Pretty Bird. Yep, that's another shower for Mama. You're so pretty. Pretty bird. Pretty bird. Anyway. If you enjoy getting little updates on Pretty Bird, watching her attempt to swim in a puddle, run after us, take showers and baths, flood my bathroom, do silly things like get water massages, and just simply enjoy her cuteness, please do subscribe, leave a like, or a comment, or both, or all three. And we hope to see you guys next time. Bye. Pretty bird, say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye. Say bye-bye, Goose Goose.